Good morning, friends. This is Tusharsingh Bisen from Shivaji College of Engineering and Technology, Akola. My college comes in Amravati University, as you all of you know. As in my previous video, I just made the seismic analysis of building for the tall building design of it was 23 story. So, as all you know, I have done after that seismic design. So, in this video, I'm showing you I have done that foundation design for a building as a final project. So in this building design, basically this is the safe software, means the basic pre interface of the safe software version to 2016. So in this video, first open the I will show you my saved file of that foundation design. Just a minute. So friends, this is my project for foundation design. In this video, I was given a problem statement with different dead loads calculation and live load calculations, and I have done some initial calculation. After that, in this video, I have defined the properties and drawn some elements. Like you can see here, some highlighted square. It is a slab. In these small boxes, you can see that are columns. Only these between four columns are 600 by 600 dimension, and rest all are 500 by 500. So I've done for mat footing. In this video, first I've defined properties, and then I've drawn the elements like columns, slabs. There are strips which passes from the center of the column. You can see here the strips. This it is column strip HYSD 500 rebar material. Okay, and I will show you the columns. These are our columns. I provided the load as it was given in problem statement. So dead load for this column is 5414.9 kilonewton, and point load is, sorry, live load is 2797.8. As you can see, this was an example as I provided for all columns the loads. After that, I just assigned the properties and loads. I've gone to assign menu, then from it is invisible the option as my project is completed, but when you will refer the project with the problem statement, it will be visible. So friends, I've completed the assigned properties and loads, and at the last I just interpret the results. So this was my project. That's all. Thank you, friends.